To use an IRS PIN, you first need to understand what it is and its purpose. An IRS PIN, also known as an IP PIN, is a 6-digit number assigned to taxpayers to help prevent identity theft and verify their identity when filing their tax returns. The first step in using an IRS PIN is to obtain one. You can get an IP PIN by going to the IRS website and using the Get an IP PIN tool, or by calling the IRS at their toll-free number and following the prompts. You will need to provide your Social Security number, date of birth, and address to verify your identity. Once you have obtained your IP PIN, you will need to enter it when prompted on your tax return. This is usually done on the signature page of your return. Along with your signature and date, make sure to enter the correct IP PIN, as an incorrect PIN can delay the processing of your return. If you have been a victim of identity theft, you may be required to use an IP PIN to file your tax return. In this case, the IRS will notify you by mail that you need to use an IP PIN, and will provide you with the number. Best practices for using an IRS PIN include keeping the number safe and secure, and not sharing it with anyone except your tax preparer or spouse if filing jointly. You should also make sure to use the correct IP PIN for the correct tax year, as the number can change from year to year. In summary, using an IRS PIN is a simple process that can help protect your identity and prevent tax-related identity theft. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your tax return is processed quickly and accurately, and that your personal information remains safe and secure.